Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to answer an intriguing question. What's inside the Statue of Liberty? Most people admire its beauty from the outside, but few actually know what's hidden inside. You won't believe some of the details we are about to reveal. The inside of the Statue of Liberty is a complex structure of iron and steel. The statue's framework was designed by Gustav Eiffel, the same engineer behind the Eiffel Tower. Unlike solid statues, Lady Liberty is hollow, allowing visitors to climb inside. The internal structure consists of a metal framework that supports the copper exterior, which is turned green over time due to oxidation. Inside, there is a narrow spiral staircase with 354 steps leading all the way up to the crown. Climbing to the top is not easy. It's the equivalent of a 20-story building. From the crown, visitors can look through 25 small windows and enjoy a breathtaking view of New York City and the harbor. Another interesting part of the statue is the pedestal. It was designed by American architect Richard Morris Hunt and serves as the foundation of the statue. Inside the pedestal, there's a museum showcasing the history and construction of the monument. It includes original pieces of the statue, historical photographs, and information about how it became a symbol of freedom. One of the biggest secrets of the Statue of Liberty is that there was once an observation deck inside the torch. Originally, visitors could climb up to the torch and enjoy a spectacular view. However, after an explosion in 1916 damaged the statue, the torch was permanently closed to the public for safety reasons. The original torch is now displayed in the museum inside the pedestal. Another hidden detail inside the statue is the massive support system that allows the statue to withstand strong winds and weather conditions. The entire structure is designed to sway slightly in the wind, preventing damage from storms or high-speed winds. The statue's flexibility is one of the reasons it has remained standing for over a century. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know what's inside the Statue of Liberty and some of the incredible secrets hidden within. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.